Siku inakuja, siku ya usingizi, ambayo utalala ukiwa pekee, unangoja siku ya Kiyama, siku utasimama mbele ya hukumu pekee. Siku inakuja, siku ya usingizi, ambayo utalala ukiwa pekee, unangoja siku ya Kiyama, siku utasimama mbele ya hukumu pekee. Unapojiandaa mwenzangu, jueni mambo ni mawili umepewa leo, njia ya kwenda motoni na ya kwenda mbinguni. Chagueni leo unapolala. Unatenda mabaya, njia yako wewe ndugu, mauti ya milele. Kama matendo yako yalikuwa mazuri, njia yako ni uzima wa milele ndugu. Kama ulikuwa unatenda mabaya, njia yako wewe ndugu, mauti ya milele. Kama matendo yako yalikuwa mazuri, njia yako ni uzima wa milele ndugu. Unapojiandaa mwenzangu, jueni mambo ni mawili umepewa leo, njia ya kwenda motoni na ya kwenda mbinguni. Chagueni leo unapolala. Muda tumepewa mfupi sana wa kujiandaa tukiwa na uhai. Ni juu yangu na wewe tumuchague Yesu, ili arudipo tuende naye. Muda tumepewa mfupi sana wa kujiandaa tukiwa na uhai. Ni juu yangu na wewe tumuchague Yesu, ili arudipo tuende naye. Unapojiandaa mwenzangu, jueni mambo ni mawili umepewa leo, njia ya kwenda motoni na ya kwenda mbinguni. ni vileo unaporara.
Omuraibensi Dr. William Samoei Ruto niko aso asiritukuria eria kabire amonitaro ya matuko anegochi asichinsemo cha Nyanza na bwo omogomo bwa barimu nigo osoireri tukoria kanerero iga chingaki mugavana we county uyo kabiri mugavana we county ya Samburu Moses Reno Nkurari yakoboka ukumirwa igisubuki miaka ene gusanya yakoboka gwakana 700,000 korengana amono ko no gochika kwanya yakoboka kubatu kwa imargoba ya rero. Na ukwaniri andonsi asuri na voigo na kwariganiri gocha asemese itu ya mangana mageni gona yarigani go koletera amangana yu asinjira yubikanu ni gonkoro kwa Hesbon Bosire eyamo aseyamo tokunya chaka amonetaro yumuraibensi Dr. William Samoei Ruto asichinsemo cha Nyanza na mono abu asomo gasubwe koriareranya kopaka utara county area Homa Bay asanya kopaka kwigura emerobiri au ya magenda buna ase okugacha chinsu na boy guchioneria na boigo amono merobiri ya machi yonya kopaka kwigura litukuria rero boigo Ruto asitaro eyo yaye niganya kopaka kwigera ubwa matebwaye ere amono muraibo mobwa Azimio Moja One Kenya Alliance uyogo chukunya kopaka kurana ekerogo kyobo nyakerogo bwo mobwichinzi cha Africa Raila Amolo Odinga asikiri atebiribuna ere amono murayoyo obwa matebwa bonigo bwabeire obokoro na igotari ngambono banchakiri gokora emirimo amo asikiri atebire bono serikali niko yanyariko bakiko bwo twara chinguru kyokwaneke nga amagendera chukunya kopaka wikirana imeyensi ya Kenya nabo go ase umorobiri oyo nigo ase etariyo Ruto nabo igo ababwatani abanekuru ase serikali banyakoba wikana umuyiga boko muhariganinka umuwaziri bw'ekibesa John Mbadi oyo kunyakoba kuru ase county eyo ya Homa Bay.
Sisi tumekuja hapa na kiongozi wetu Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya kwa mambo ya maendeleo, kwa sababu juzi tumemaliza mambo ya siasa. Tumesema sasa sisi zote tuungane tupange mambo ya maendeleo. Mambo ya siasa rais amepanga, tumemaliza. Yule mzee wetu baba aende Afrika akuwe kiongozi wetu. Tumekubaliana. Hata mimi nimefurahi vile mmetukaribisha hapa. Unajua mimi sikuwa nimejua siri ya kukaa na nyinyi. Sasa nimejua siri ya kukaa na nyinyi ni sisi kuwa watu ya baba. Sasa tuko pamoja watu ya Homa Bay.
Serikali ya Kenya mimi naongoza, tumesema baba ndiye atakuwa kiongozi wa bara letu la Afrika. Tutamshika mkono, tutamuombea, tutamfanyia campaign na bara letu la Afrika wamekubali. Muliona juzi Jumuiya ya East Africa wote wamekuja hapa. Museveni amekuja kutoka Uganda, Mama Suluhu kutoka Tanzania, Salva Kiir kutoka Sudan, watu wa DRC Congo, watu wa kutoka kule Burundi, rais wa kule Rwanda, ule Somalia. Sisi wote tumekubali ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga aka Baba akuwe ndio kiongozi wetu wa bara la Afrika. Nimefika leo Homa Bay kwa sababu tulikubaliana na nyinyi ya kwamba hapa tuweke paya na tutengeneze port na tutengeneze fish market. Mimi nilitumana, makontrakta wamekuja na nimekuja kuangalia hiyo kazi na nimeridhika ya kwamba hiyo kazi hiyo ya fish market kabla ya Disemba mimi nitakuja kufungua hiyo fish market muweze kuendelea na biashara ya watu wa hapa Homa Bay. Samaki ile inatoka kule tuwe na mahali, niliwaambia tutawapangia mambo matatu. ya kwamba tutaweka cold room hali ya processing, ndio muweze kuongeza dhamana kwa ile samaki mnatoa kule baharini. Tutakuwa na wholesale market na retail market. Yule mama samaki sasa atakuwa na mahali pazuri.
Nabo igoka tugutikana ase oropoti rwaye umuraibu insina nene mono etaro ya matuko ane iyo agendrete kuru ase chinsemo chiri charwa Nyanza nigongo kwire ni wika ase county ya Kisii nene mono kubwatikana amone kigambiro kyare bago tugutera gose kuboria abarimu banyako bago tuguterare omogomo obo nabo igo ekigambe gose kya ekiombe kiri konyako bagi kwegerera obwane bwabakori emirimo aiga Kenya kurwa okoboko guchi ase omogomo ikya kotu ni gori tukoria rero lyabali tukoria kane guchi ase omogomo bwabarimu oyogendrete Kenya agima ane mono abarimu bali bari nseria buri lya kubet imensi ya Kenya korengana amuna abarimu abo niko banyako bagotenga tibakwenda skurume kobwatikana bunani ko babiri ko bagochandwa nabo igo serikali tiri kunyako bakegotegera magani abo inyarako bagikobekaniria biribakanĩtie indi banyacho goikerania amasomo ase chiskuru ao nabo igo ekiombekeri gukorikia abarimu TSC nigo kyangire kubaikeranĩria ekiti kyabo kirigo kurwarigo ase batebirumwe nigo kibwate omuchando omone ime county ya Kisii abarimu abo nigo baonchokana chinsemo ao bogatagati bumuchi obosongo kobeteria serikali enyara kabaki koigwa ebirero byabo
Roraga ikamnambo kore tiegente keiga retirement scheme yaba bagotu roika tosisike nainde ninda iteiga medical scheme yaba alimu kire ibere ebe ya moyoka SBA ya ito ya 2021 2025 esikwe tomanya goche gento pyo mwali ngokwanera stagnation muna inje no mwali munde na lige to 2012 na abutirese job group for more than 15 years. Bonongiek 130,000 teachers. We want them promoted without any condition. That is
okay. My name is Oguta D.O. In fact, as a teacher in this country, we are very disillusioned. We are very aggravated. We are disappointed. In fact, things are not good. We are not going back to school. We get power. We get real. We get power. We get giving.
The government to confirm all the day in town with immediate effect. To get power. To get power. I am the
nabo igoka tukuru ase county ya Kisii neti county chinde chonsi imensi ya Kenya nigo amangana arengebu nayo ase korende omonene bwaba waziri aiga Kenya anyarako bagakonyorwa amuna abarimu abari kunyarako bakorobekana ase anyarako bagakobatebuna serikali gende kulgiria amagani abo igo banyarako bagokora omogomo obo ase korende ebyombe gose abarai koru ase nseme ya kupeti basingire hotebuna tibaguchikunyarako bakwena kirasime onyore serikali teguchikunyarako bagikobaikeranĩria ali bakunyara kwa baba aliganya toko bakuigwana dit kuri goro nigo ekiombe kirie kurika abarimu Kenya toko bakego tangaza enyongeza yemishara buchi ase abarimu abo asekeri batebuna emishara yenya toko bakego tangazwa nigo yaringe yekerengo gense mono igo serikali bwante ko baikeranĩria nyuma batarayana ebirasime
Najua mnasema ukweli. Najua mnasema ukweli. But I also don't want to make a ridiculous statement while here. I must make a statement that I can push ahead and it stands with time. If I come here and I say I will pay the salaries today, I'll be lying to you. Isn't it? And I don't want to lie to you. So the most important thing is for me to listen and then to take this petition at the highest level, which is at cabinet level, so that we can find proper and durable solutions to the challenges that you're facing.
Vihiga County has 26 schools which don't have deputy principals. We have 12 schools which are missing principals. Those teachers we have here, you are seeing, none of them qualifies to be a head teacher. None of them qualifies to be a deputy. Colleagues, I want to ask you, is that true? This strike will not be called off. Number 3, the Teacher Service Commission has refused to sort out the issues of our medical cover. Our teachers are dying in hospitals. Our teachers are unable to get treatment because of the very many bureaucratic procedures that have been introduced by that cover. We are saying right now, so many hospitals have been closed down because they have not been paid their money by the Teacher Service Commission. These teachers are suffering, and because of that medical allowance that was taken away, we want TSC to address that issue immediately.
Elimu ndio msingi wa maendeleo, na walimu wetu mumefanya kazi mzuri. Bila mwalimu hakuna hata minister, hakuna hata governor, hakuna. Kwa hivyo walimu, kazi yenu tunasema ni kazi mzuri, na haki yenu lazima mupatiwe.
Nabo kero omogomo bwa barimu ogendrete ase kisukuru chisekondari nabo university area ya Moi gotoka imeya Eldoret county ya Nakuru nigo ababwatani be university ibagendrete omogomo obona barabonya ko bakawikari tukuria kane asebanya banyariko bakomotia mu vice chancellor we university yaskibuna ni gata kunya ko bakawikaniria ibintu bikunya ko bigokonya abakori emirimo bensemo iyo korengana amona barimu abo banya ko bagoswa ase para na barabori tukuria rero igonyere ko bagoteba gwikabanya ko bagwikaniria wikiranirigwa amaganyu alibaganitie iri banya ko bakonyora asagia yokora emirimo nabo igo ekiombe kya wasu ni Kenya ko bakiko babwatesia kobetereria eserikali nabo igo university nyara ko bagiko baikaniria aliba kunyara ko bakuburia nabo igo ko goseria muna abakori bande kuru as university kinde imense ya Kenya niko baratukunya ko bagoswa ase omogomo buna enjere yemo yo kuburia eserikali nyako bagiko baikaniria amaganyo ali ako bakonya gwikania imirubiri yabo batari kunya ko bakonyora mu chando onde bwenzi ase university au imense ya Kenya.
University dons are saying they want full implementation of the 2017-2021 CBA. The next demand, we want all pension remittances to be remitted. Majority of our members have retired and they have gone home without pension. It is illegal for the university to deduct pension and fail to remit. The next thing, we want our lecturers to be promoted. The university should give us a clear calendar when all academic staff are going to be paid. The next thing, tutorial fellows who have been on contract and their contract ended, the university should pay them their gratuity immediately. All gratuities should be paid so that they can have that money and use it. The next thing that we are saying, this is a university that deducts even union dues and they don't remit. We want to know there's a court order that ordered Moi University to remit all union dues to the union account. I'm not leaving Moi before getting all those things. And I want Moi University staff. Enough is enough. Yes. Moi University staff, can you use this opportunity when I'm in Eldoret to sort your issues? If you allow me to leave this place without sorting your issues, that will be your problem.
but I want you to be out. I want you to be out of classes. Don't be cheap.
Lakini chuo kikuu cha Moi kimeamua kinataka kutulipa nusu ya mshahara, ndio kwa sababu hawawezi chukua yale yenye wanatukata kutoka kwa mishahara yetu kuenda bank na mambo ya ustahafu pension. Hasa pension ndio imetuuma sana, kwa sababu kwa miaka mitatu sasa wenzetu ambao wamestaafu hawajapata pesa zao, wameenda nyumbani bila pesa, na ndio wengi wameanza kuangamia na kukufa kwa sababu ya kukosa pesa ya kujimudu. Kwa hivyo sasa Moi University vile tunaongea hivi, pension peke yake bila kuongea zile zenye zinaingia bank zenye wametukata na hawajapeleka pension scheme ni 4.2 billion. We are talking of 4.2 billion.
We are very disappointed with the Council of Moi University that our members of staff can work, and then at this time they have not even earned their July salary. Our members have been subjected to thorough pecuniary embarrassment. They cannot borrow loans because when you present yourself to the bank, if you are from Moi University, you are listed and you will not get the loan. Yes.
Naboiko oyoringi omugavana omukoro gwe county ya Samburu Samuel Nonkurari niganya kobaga gukumirwa egisibo k'emyaka 4 usanya kobaga gwakana a fine ya 700,000 korengana amono munachi ebina wekigambiro kya Milimani Rokot Thomas Nzioki nyakobaga kurwa okunacha oku emarogoba yaboniga korengana amono kina ekyo kimubwatiraniti omugavano yo amona abantu 11 abanyakoba kosomerwa amastaka abo nigo bakunyakoba kubwatenwa amono bokurumi abigo obutumeki obobebwe kibesa bono abaraya baiga nigo banyakoba kuburirwa batachi kunyakoba gotorwa kiro kindi gyonsi asegeka k'emyaka 10 nabigo nigo bairu amatuko 18 banyakoba kobeka appeal kubwatikana amono kunacha okukwanya kubwatu kwa emargobe yiga.
I've also sentenced you. I'll also sentence you for a charge of abuse of office, conduct provision of Section 46 as read with Section 48 of our SECA. Under provision of Section 48(1)(a) of the Act, to pay a fine of 700,000 in deferred to serve 4 years imprisonment. I have also not imposed on you any mandatory fine. The accused person, that's the governor, and that they shall run consecutively, effective from the date of the judgment, which is 28th of August 2024. I promised yesterday that I'm also going to count in the 1 day that you are in custody, so I've also considered that. So for that sentence, you pay the entire amount or you serve the entire period for the two of you. In addition to that sentence, and pursuant to the provision of Section 64 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act No. 3 of 2003, accused person, you are hereby disqualified from being elected or appointed to any public office for a period of 10 years from the date of this particular judgment. That's for the sentence. I'll now proceed to make the following further orders. The short for the accused person are hereby discharged, and any security deposited in court shall be released forthwith. Also, any cash bail deposited in court shall be released to the depositor. Accused person's passports deposited in court shall also be released forthwith. I'll order that accused persons, you have 14 days right of appeal. It's your right against the judgment and sentence by this court.
Boy gori tuko irmorio kamega y'umugavana we county ya Kisii Moskepo Simba arati kobe karige nari musingi ase amagacho gose ase ensemo yechiabisi chia serikali ye county ya Kisii chia kunyako chikobera nigo abamenyi gosabantu koru ase county ya Kisii banyako bagosokia ibirengeri byabo ase kibanyako bakumwakera mugavano yumbya mono asobwanja nabo igo kurwalibaka gochie asobwaga chibwe chinyomba echo chiraje kunyako chigotumeka amona bakoli emirimo be county ya Kisii bono umo contractor oirwe gasi yuniganya ko bagakubori gwanya ko bagakora asobwango kwene kyabuna abantu goseka vanach kunyako bagakuru asense mo ya Gusii Stadium nyako bakaoswa asense meyo na okora umwananchi bwa county ya Kisii amagendero nabo igo asense mo ndini gwanya ko bagwa kambu ya mono goche ase umurai bwo mo bwa Azimio moja wani Kenya Alliance unyunya ko bagagusabirwa nabo igo gotiga siasa ya Kenya na gocha kurwana ekirogo kyubonya kirogo asense media ya African Union.
Samarieta ni gonkoro kwa engineer Nyabaro Fred koronya libali chache uyo kurye kirogo kyobo MP bwa Nyalibali chache asoba chori buri busieto. Intwebuna bagusi na bafuasi abanene be kyama jao DM kuramutuka maiga na ande abututara back off. Nigo twagokeire okuru kwa Raila kurwase ekiwango kyokugamba Kenya guchaso kugamba Africa ngima nebana kiratare ile kiroge kibuya have a lot of hope ngana nyare ko bakagokeira bona abantu baminto aso ebirengeri byane buno murai igondane ngikoranga onyenja nyare kano ese nyenchoreira ali yarule ubupati leader kurwase party ya ODM ekerure local politics twari ko nyare gende kyake wo mugusi erinda we party leader ya ODM we have been always there and we have been giving the information ya political structure ya Kenya as ekyama ya ODM we go lingana linde na linki gote boni gende kiko balance kyagera Gladys Wanga bonere cha person ya ODM so kera ikirire kiroge ekyo automatically okyo cha so mugusi naba gusi mwenzi mumete ngaba gusi twatembanya mbare bukora ikono bakwire gende ekyo byama nonya nabo buno murai bwabasaye. I want to congratulate Governor His Excellency Simba Arati asa tweyire irire kuchikocha ka county headquarters offices chiri abekira igas to about the former Elimu Center. We have been having a problem buno mugusi to kwebolinga Governor ngo ikadiria abeka gotora korwase stadium. Bona saying njende kiacha kire Your Excellency igo to advising you fast track project iri ikere serikali tiyanya gutaka ekero chibese chirororo project yemyo kibuna korengana twarora ali contract egoteba nga we are going to do it in a time span ya 2 years enya kanenga by the end of 2026 at least nae kwa setiri so visiri egere tutwara stock and twago check ikere gitiari no bugambi mburuko nyako abagokoreka igeti stadium tukumaitune kemichezo tari bugambi koranch myuki gente gizo twara office yetu twamnyoka twanyaro wakati asabona ngema
buya kegima omwanchi omorigerindo chinga gwikiraga bono gutikunyaka bingunya korera amangana maya yechinga kichiga buya mono asogwanja kubwati amangana maya na goigo emerobiri itu yanyaka bakikugochera ase embeo nigotonya kwa tukubwatana amonere Simon Mariga yunyaka bagakwani kinga chibicha amonirio gichanya kwa chikuikiraga bo asore ritaria nigonkuru kwa Hestbon posire.
Kila siku ya Jumanne na Jumatano saa 2:30 hadi saa 3 ungana naye Kalen Atanja akiwa na mgeni Judith Nabwire wakikuletea kipindi cha afya mbashara kwenye runinga ya Amazing Voice of Victory na redio ya Voice of Victory. Kosa uchekwe.
Omwanchwa omurigereria muno narutiraga smile igano na ndoro chenga smile iyo nabo ere yengencho na ndego twaregania ingana tugwera rero gusei umuro
tiga tweborie maito bege tokwege na waito